Hey guys, it's Danielle over at DIYDanielle.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy sign using an embroidery hoop. We've got a wood one. It's pretty old. It's just been taking up space in my sewing room, so I wanted to use it. So we've got this. We've got a bunch of strips of red fabric left over from my candy cane wreath, and I've got 2 layers of this white fabric that I got at Joann's. This was on sale when I bought it, so it's on sale in general. It's a very cheap fabric. It's very thin. So I did 2 layers of this. You can probably get away with 1 if you have decent fabric. So here's what we got to start. So they're laid out, evenly spaced here. Okay, so this is a good time to use some red thread, unless you have really pretty decorative stitches you want showing up. I don't want my thread showing up, or my stitching showing up. The one I'm using is a heavy thread. I don't really recommend that. I think it'll be fine. It's not like a really big project, but usually you'd use a regular thread. I don't have regular in red, so I'm just gonna go ahead and use this just so I can not run to the store. I'm just straight stitching right up along each side. At this point, if you want frayed edges, you can pull one of these strings just carefully, and it should do the trick. Alrighty, so we got a little bit of a fray here, and we can go ahead and do that on the other sides as well. So the next thing I want to do is just measure how far across it is. I don't want my design to be bigger than that. I think this is 10 inches. So I've got my vinyl weeded for the top part. I've got a second piece in red that's currently being cut on my Cricut machine. And so I'm going to be able to iron this on, but I'm going to take it off from the hoop first. Okay, so I'm going to press the regular everyday iron on first, and then my second piece, the Licit, is in metallic or foil iron on. So I want to do that separate. It's going to have a different heat. This is going through at 315, which I'm hoping will work. I want to say this is a cotton poly blend. This is probably plain cotton. This could be just cotton, but I have a feeling there's a blend, and I should have written down the fabric content, but I didn't. Anyways, so I'm going to do 315, and it's 315 for 30 seconds. Then we'll check it and see how we're doing. So as you can see, it peels up just fine. I'm just going to be careful just in case any of the pieces didn't stick. Sometimes if your heat press isn't big enough, because there's different sizes of these, if it's not big enough for your image, you might have to do this side, or if you miss like this part, you know. And let's see. There we are. I'm trying to make sure that's perfect there. All right, so for the foil, it's saying $2.95 for 30 seconds, and then to cold peel it, which means you peel it off once it's cooled down. I just popped it back on the hoop, and I'm gonna just trim around it, or you could probably, you know, work to fold it. So I tied a ribbon through the hoop closure, just some excess of the red, and this is what we have. What do you think? Leave me a comment. Please subscribe and check out my other Christmas posts. Thanks so much. Have a great day.